Our universe is vast, but where is everyone? It's a question that echoes through the cosmos, leaving us in contemplative silence. Welcome to the Cosmic Search, where we embark on an expedition to unravel the enigmatic Fermi Paradox and explore the mysterious silence of the cosmos. In the vastness of the universe, with its billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars and potentially even more planets, logic suggests that there should be ample opportunity for life to flourish. So where are the cosmic neighbors we've been searching for? This is the heart of the Fermi Paradox, a paradox that challenges the vastness of our imagination. The eerie silence of the cosmos amplifies this enigma. Despite our technological advancements and our ability to peer deep into the universe, we've yet to receive a concrete signal or any tangible evidence of extraterrestrial life. Could it be that we're truly alone in this immense cosmic expanse? Or is there something more complex at play? Some theories propose that advanced civilizations may be out there, but for reasons unknown, they remain silent, perhaps protecting themselves or awaiting a certain level of development in our own species. Others suggest that there might be a cosmic zoo, where advanced civilizations observe us without direct interference. Next time on The Cosmic Search, we'll delve deeper into the theories surrounding the Fermi Paradox. Join us as we investigate the possibility of alien civilizations and the implications of their existence, or lack thereof. Get ready to explore the great cosmic silence and the tantalizing hints that the universe might hold. Stay tuned for more cosmic revelations and galactic ponderings in the quest for answers beyond the stars. Next episode: Whispers in the Stars. Are there hidden messages in the cosmic whispers? Join us as we examine potential signals and messages that might be all around us, waiting to be decoded. Prepare to uncover the secrets of the stars and the messages they might hold for humanity.